Hello everyone, welcome back to Coordination. This video is related to the ADOBE Systems Off-Campus Drive 2021. So ADOBE is hiring college students for the role of software developer. So we will be discussing everything about this, like what is the eligibility criteria, what are the skills required, and what will be your role after getting selected, and how to apply for this off-campus drive. So stay tuned till the end, and if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further more notifications, because we give updates on jobs and internships every day. So let's start our today's video. So what is the eligibility criteria for this off-campus drive? So the eligibility criteria is that the candidate should be currently enrolled in BTech or MTech in computer science with excellent academic record, and the skills required are like the student should have experience of working with object oriented programming in C++ or C, and the candidate should have experience in working with medium scale or large scale software test frameworks, and the candidate should be able to perform in-depth product testing and should have strong interpersonal and communication skills. Now let's see what will be your role after getting selected for this position. So you will have to create an enhanced test automation framework. You will have to debug software products and develop and modify them and execute software test plans for testing, and you'll have to maintain documentation and analyze test results and consult development engineers for resolution of problems. So the link to apply has been provided in the description. You can click the link and you'll be reaching the site wherein you are asked to fill in your email address and password. If you don't have Adobe account, you can create one, and then after creating the account you'll reach this site. You can see the complete application process over here. There are 5 steps for this application process, so it's a bit lengthy, so you'll have to be patient while applying. The first step is my information, wherein you have to fill your basic information like how did you hear about this, and have you been employed by Adobe in the past, and your country name, your family name, and your address, your email address, and your phone details like phone device type, country phone code, phone number, and then you'll move on to the next step, that is my experience, wherein you have to give details about your past work experience, your job title, company name, your work duration in that company, and your role description, and your education details like school, university, degree, field of study, GPA, and if you want to add any certifications you can add here. You can add the languages you know over here. You can search for the skill you have and mention it here, and you have to drop your resume file here and mention your LinkedIn profile URL. And the next step is your application questions. So you have to mention that you are above the legal age to work in the country or not. Mention it with yes or no. You have to mention that you ever worked at Adobe in the past. If not, then you can check out the last box. And if you are willing to submit a background check during hiring process, you have to mention yes or else no. And then you have to fill these details based on your choice, like if you want to provide documentation establishing your identity, or if you are able to work on a daily basis or not. So you have to fill these on your based on your choice. So after filling, click on save and continue. Then you will move on to next step, that is fourth step. So you have to read out the terms and conditions of Adobe and then check this box and click on save and continue. So this is the last step, wherein you have to cross check all the details that you have gave in the previous 4 steps. So cross check it and click on submit. After clicking on submit, your application will be submitted. So if you fit in the eligibility criteria, then do apply for this. That's it for this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for further more updates on internships and jobs. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.